G'day everyone, welcome to Mick Tighe 4x4 and Outdoor from 190 Herries Street Toowoomba, Queensland, Australia. Come and I'll show you what goes on here in a day. So we just stepped into our showroom reception area. So these guys here, we've got our sales team, the 4Drive accessories, we've got Mark here, looks after the service department, and the showroom's got showcases all our current products, services. So yeah, you can come in and check out some gear to put on your new rig, any fit out options. One particular big part of our business that everyone knows is we're an Ironman 4Drive distributor for our region. And maybe a couple of bit of trivia that people don't know is Ironman have been manufacturing products for 60 years plus, and they're now, in that family, there's more than 3 generations working in the company. And Ironman also export to more than 120 countries around the world. So these guys here, these are our accessories sales team. So if you ever call up, you get Dan or Gordon, you can put a face to the name. They look like they're doing a bit, but I've got to put a prod under them and make them go a bit harder during the day. This area here is where we keep all the lighter stuff, shock absorbers, springs, any other smaller items, snorkels, that sort of thing. So this is warehouse 1. Freight comes in down the driveway, gets unloaded, and this is the first place it gets put and then distributed from there. So this is stock area number 2, and what we keep here is larger items, as in pallets of bull bars, side rail steps, alu-cab roof conversions, and all that sort of thing. So yeah, basically the trucks get unloaded, swings in here, gets put away here and counted off. So yeah, as you can see, running a 4Drive show, you do need a bit of stock and need a bit of space to keep it all. Okay, so we're now in workshop 1. We've come through from the warehouse into the first workshop, and we've got a team of men in here that go really well, do anything from vehicle service, suspension upgrades, tour builds, driveline work. Interesting fact about this place is we added up the number of years the people that work here have been in the industry, and we've got just over 150 years of combined service in the automotive industry. So that's something to be proud of. Okay, so come out of workshop 1 and into our car parking holding yard area. So all the customers' cars are stored here till they come inside to be worked on. Some future work going on here soon in better car parking facility. Pretty lucky here, we've got 2-street access, so that's a plus for us. Anyway, we'll head down to workshop 2 and give you a look at that place. Okay, so this is workshop 2. So this team of men here, great team they are. They'll do all the new fit outs, all the 4Drive accessories, suspensions, and that sort of thing. Got a great crew of blokes here, it's really great fun working with them. How you going, boys? Well, thanks everyone for having a look at us today. I just did want to take you through our business to show you what we do, a bit about us, and I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of our customers, suppliers, associates in the industry, automotive, 4-wheel drive, for the last 28 years for your support, your business, and everything that you've done for us. So thanks for joining us today. See you again another time.